Choose another woman over her once you notice this about her. Any woman you notice this about, make sure you replace her immediately. You will never be happy with her. This is Pearl Solution. The goal is for you to stay in a healthy relationship and a healthy marriage. To my returning subscribers, thank you. And if you're coming across my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop your thought or to think about this video. And do not forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any video, you'll be the very first person to see it. Number one, if the two of you, if you notice she's not sexually attracted to you, dump her immediately. There is always a man she's sexually attracted to. There is always a man she's crushing sexually, and that man will have her anytime, any day, no matter what you do for her. So a woman that is not sexually attracted to you will deny you every juicy part of her. Every part of her body she will never ever want you to harness it, feel it, touch it. Every time she's always tired. Every time she doesn't want, she's not in the mood. And most times she will tell you she needs peace. She will keep you wanting for things that you're supposed to get for free. So if you notice women that are not sexually attracted to you and know they always want to reject you, everything you do to get them in the mood, they are not usually always in the mood. And women like this, most times during dating, they will tell you they don't want a man to really have access to them, that you will need to marry them. Once she started giving excuses during dating, you've known her for 1 year, 6 months, but then she's distant from you. If you ask her, she will say, no, I don't want to date a man. After dating him, then the man will now do things we're not supposed to do till after marriage. She will still say the same thing. If you marry her, she doesn't have appetite for you. A woman that have appetite for you is a woman that will want to eat you every day. So if she doesn't have appetite for you, you see, she will never want to eat you. Even when you want to eat, she will say no. She will deny you. Even when the food is delicious, you can only feed your eyes, but every area that needs the feeding, she will deny them. So if she's not sexually really attracted to you, don't keep her. You will further kids that are not yours. Because if she meets a man she's sexually attracted to, that man will eat all the food on your behalf. While you will endure. She will be giving you, oh, I'm tired, I'm not in the mood. Oh, I don't like it. Who told you they don't like it? Every woman likes it. If she is telling you she doesn't like it, my dear, she's not sexually attracted to you. So let her go. Then the second, a woman that sees nothing in disrespecting you is a woman you should change. Choose another woman that can respect you over her, because your peace doesn't matter to her. What is one thing a woman brings to a man she loves? It is peace of mind. It is her making you know that, I got you no matter what. If she cannot hit her chest and say, I got you, then why will you get her? You keeping her will not change her mind towards you, will not make her love you or treat you better than the way she's supposed to treat you. If she's always angry at you, that she will forget her manners and insult you, exchange words with you. Sometimes you even ignore her, but she will use words. Later on, she will come and tell you, oh, it is a woman thing. It is smooth swing. I didn't know when I did it. I am sorry. Make sure you prioritizes your peace over anything. So that sorry she's telling, she has already known. If you forgive her, she has already known that I'm going to repeat this thing again. This guy doesn't have boundaries. So what will I be doing with a man without boundaries? A man that cannot protect his peace, that cannot protect himself, who am I to protect it for him? That's exactly what you showed her. And she will use it against you all the time. They don't change you. So if you're saying, okay, let me just let go because she will change, If she constantly do it, it means she will never change. Can you live with it? Can you live long living with a woman like that? And a woman that is always disrespecting you is a woman you cannot keep, because every woman knows a man she respects. If she has shown you she don't have no regard or respect from you, accept it and change her. Then number 3, you see, a woman that has no goal, she have no dreams, she have no goal. There is nothing driving her to be a better person. Something must drive her to be a better person. She have life. She wants to live the life. She wants to be a better person. Yes, you see her doing some things for herself, making decisions, taking some steps for herself, making decisions for herself. That is a woman that is willing to support you. You see, a woman that feels she have no goal, even if you establish her, she's going to eat the money. She will never grow. So your growth will always threaten her. See, if a woman is not ready to grow, anything you do will always make her feel, he's doing it for me, he should do it for me. Or you will see her saying, if he's making it, other women will want him. She will always accuse you, even for you, even when you're not doing anything wrong. She will accuse you because she's feeling insecure. She will feel insecure that doesn't mind even bringing you down. A woman who doesn't have a purpose doesn't understand your struggle. So because she doesn't understand your struggle, and she's not even ready to have a struggle herself, so how will she now support you? Will she now be there for you? She will never be there. All what she's cared about, all what she will care about is to take. After taking, she leaves like nothing happened. If you're not willing or you're not ready for a woman like that, let her go. Then number 4, you see, a woman that have bad behavior, as in her behavior is like smelling. She have bad behavior that she can go out with anybody, come back anytime, and she doesn't mind the most of the things she's doing, how it affects you and the relationship. She talks down on you. She hang out with men. She keep friends with men. She go live. She come on social media exposing every part of her body, and you will feel, okay, let me keep correcting her. You cannot keep correcting her. It is a woman that needs change. You see a woman like this, they don't listen to instruction. They don't listen to your direction. They don't care how you feel. And they don't even care about their self-discipline and self-worth. You know why? Because they don't have any. So if she is badly behaved, you cannot fix her. Allow her go fix herself. So it means you need to change her to just so that you will be okay. But trying to change, you need to change her means you need to replace her. But trying to change that attitude while staying with her, you will lose yourself in the process. Are you with a woman like this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. This is Bell Solution. The goal is for you to always stay in a healthy relationship and a healthy marriage. Don't forget to share, like, and drop your thought what you think about this video. Thank you.